Today I'm going to share a tip on how to hold your baby if they're having any gas pains, fussiness, any tummy trouble. It will help them instantly feel better and help you relax and be able to move around the house just a little easier. If tips like this sound good to you, then subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Becca Starr and I help babies and moms feel better. I'm also the founder of Infant Massage Certification. So I'm very excited to teach you the tiger in the tree hold today. There are a few ways to help babies feel better. If they're having constipation or gas pains, any colicky symptoms that have to do with tummy trouble, there are a variety of ways that we talk about on this channel. So after this one, you can check out last week's video and try the baby bicycle. The tiger in the tree hold is extra special because it works very well. I wish every mom knew about this. So I am extra pleased that you are here with me today. To begin using this hold, you can start by holding baby up on one of your shoulders, whichever one is more comfortable for you. And what you're going to do is while holding baby up on your shoulder, you're going to slide your hand underneath baby in between so that you're going to reach up to hold their bottom while they're still on your shoulder. And then you're going to just slide them down onto that arm. So you can see baby's head is on this outside of my arm. Baby is fully supported by my forearm, and I'm holding baby on their bottom, right on their diaper. You're going to bring your thumb so that your thumb is in front of baby's leg here. So you kind of have a latch, so your thumb and then your four fingers, and the heel of your hand, which is right here, is pressing on baby's belly. We're going to turn baby over. You can see fingers, thumb, heel of the hand pressing with baby's head on this side of your arm. Now baby's body is being, again, fully supported by this part of your arm. And what you can do is rub the lower part of baby's back. So here's their stomach, right where your heel is, right on the same part of their body on their backside. You can use your free hand to rub this part of their lower back. Now, if you notice, baby is very relaxed, fully supported, feeling secure and safe. And with the pressure on her belly, she's also feeling so much more comfortable. Before we wrap up this video, if you'd like to learn more about relaxing your baby at home, you can download our free guide to baby massage and start a bedtime routine if you'd like. And you can get that guide right below this video. I'll put a link, and you can check out babyspa.co for more resources. And finally, once you have baby in this relaxing, supportive hold, and you gain confidence and you feel more and more comfortable with this, you can quite literally walk around your house. You could use this hand to do whatever you'd like to do with a free hand. And this is a really wonderful, wonderful way to hold baby because she feels so much better. You are not bouncing her a lot. There's not a lot of work on your part. You can relax a little bit more because baby feels better, and you also have more physical freedom. So I hope this tip really helps you today. Let me know in the comments below if you are trying this right now. If you'd like to watch more of our tummy massage videos, just check out our playlist here on our channel. And give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want more baby massage tips and tricks.